Hey everyone, welcome to Yoga with Adriene. I'm Adriene, this is Benji, and today we have a yummy slow your roll yoga. So this is perfect if you are feeling anxious and you need to stop, drop, and find a chill, or if you've just been going and things are starting to slow down and you don't know what to do first or what to do next. This is a nice little ditty that's going to help you transition to taking good care. So if you have a thick towel, like a beach towel, or if you have a blanket, go ahead and grab it. And if you don't worry about it. Just hop into something comfy and let's get started. Okay, pals, let's come on down to the ground. This is a practice that stays nice and low today, so we're just going to ease in with a seated forward fold. Benji is actually teaching this class today, and he's channeling all the instruction through me, and then I'll share it out with you. So thank you, Benji. If you brought a towel or blanket, let's go ahead and use it to sit up on now. Get the hips kind of high. And then just nice and easy in your own time, extend your legs out long. You don't have to zip them up here. You can keep the thigh bone, the femur, and the knee, and the shin, and the ankle all in line with the hip point. And then we'll flex the feet up towards the face. And we're gonna start by actually taking the fingertips behind the thighs, and you can bend your knees. And we're just gonna take the thighs, and we're gonna give them a big hug here, starting in a forward fold. So allow the weight of your head to relax down, which of course means you won't be looking at the video. And that's good. Take a break. Allow the sound of my voice to guide you. Trust me, trust yourself, trust the video and this valuable little ditty that's going to help you slow down. In time, you can find a deeper breath and even feel that breath in your back body stretch you as you breathe in. And then just slowing down that exhale to calm the nervous system, to soothe any frayed nerves, and to soften any worry. Great. Then when you're ready, slowly release that. Come up all the way, and we're going to bend the knees. This time we're going to wrap the arms around the shins so you can give yourself a lot of space. Some of you know I like to call this my favorite yoga pose, but you're going to give your shins a hug now. You can clasp maybe your wrist or interlace your fingertips, whatever feels good, and then here it is. Inhale in, exhale, bow the head down, let the shoulders round through. And we're allowing ourselves to just kind of bring our attention inward while getting a really great stretch in the back body. So the weight of the head is relaxed. We're breathing into the back of the heart space. Feet are grounded. Forehead is soft, jaw is soft. And in a world where we live kind of looking through the lens of so many others, moving fast pace, we really take some time here to just fold in and slow down. And then take one more big breath here. Feel your back stretch. And use your exhale to tuck your chin and slowly roll it up nice and slow. Send the legs back out, and then this time we're going to reach the fingertips all the way up and overhead. So with a big inhale, send your arms all the way up, and then exhale, think up and over as you come back into that forward fold, Paschimottanasana, and feel free to bend your knees as much as you need to. Sorry, Benji, excuse me. And then allow the weight of the head to fold over again. With each breath, inviting any anxiety, Any anxious feelings, again, frayed nerves or worry, to just soften and soothe. Start to listen a little more intently to the sound of your breath. Let go of any stress or tension in the neck. Soft jaw. Stay here with your breath. Each exhale, relaxing just a bit more. And then tuck your chin, and when you're ready, slowly release it. Come all the way back up. Excellent. We'll lift the left knee now. We're going to give the left knee a big hug. And then from here, you can hold on, hooking right elbow to left knee. You can hold on here and send your left fingertips behind you. Or if you want a little deeper stretch, you'll take the right fingertips up and find a little bind here, kissing the outer edge of your right elbow to the outer edge of your left knee. Peace. Benji. So whatever variation you've found here, allow the chin to tuck and the back of the neck to lengthen. And use an inhale to sit up tall, and use your exhale to maybe go a little deeper into the twist. Left foot is grounding, right foot is active. Take one more beautiful breath here. And then release back to center. Extend the left leg out, bring your right knee in. Same thing here. Give it a hug in first. Right heel still in line with the hip point, so not too narrow. And then if you find you want to go a little deeper, you can take the left fingertips all the way up. Find that bind, outer edge of the left elbow to the outer edge of the right thigh, right knee. And then right fingertips behind, same thing. We'll use the breath to grow this. Inhale to lift and lengthen, and exhale to soften into the twist, so no pushing. Just giving the internal organs a gentle massage so that any energy that's collected, that you're storing from any stress energy that you're storing from previous events can kind of get moved and softened here. Take a deep breath in, sit up really tall. And then exhale to slowly release. Come back to center. You're going to bring both knees up now. You're still on your blanket or your towel, hopefully. And you're going to come right to the edge. Right so that you feel like a nice support in the sits bones, but your legs are able to get really heavy. And then we'll open the knees wide for cobbler's pose. We'll interlace the fingertips around the toes or clasp the ankles. Inhale in and exhale, bend the elbows left to right. Allow your heart to come forward, and then same as it ever was, chin to chest, round through. Relax the weight of the head over. Folding in, slowing down your breath. Notice if you do have an impulse to fidget or scratch something or pop something, or maybe you're holding somewhere, clenching somewhere that you are not aware of. Just take this time to notice, no right or wrong. Just using our time wisely to slow down the pace and take stock. Okay, you're doing great. Inhale in. Exhale out. Tuck your chin and slowly begin to roll it back up. We'll close this chapter, taking the hands to the outer edge of the knees, closing the knees one more time, rounding forward. Kiss your forehead towards your knees. It doesn't have to come close, right? All of our bodies are beautiful and different, so just the intention of bowing in, getting that great big stretch in the back of the neck. And if you get a little emotional or anything comes up here, it's totally okay. I hope you know that. It's totally normal. It's what happens when we gift ourselves with the time to really just be with what is. But if we're going fast all the time, then we might miss those crucial moments. Okay, unroll, unravel. We're gonna come off the blanket here and we're gonna take the towel or blanket, and of course everyone will be kind of making do with what they have, but you're gonna try to create a roll. So like a little taquito, a little roll. So many things running through my head right now. But let's just call it a roll. So a roll, and you're gonna take it to the center of your mat. And then you're gonna bring your roll right up to the sacrum or the low back. And then everyone will be a little different here, so I'm gonna cue options for the legs to support you no matter what. But bring it on up to the low back and then use your core to slowly lower down. And you want your roll to you want your roll to support your spine here. And then I'm gonna invite everyone to start with the feet on the ground just so we can make sure we feel supported. Allow the legs, the knees to fold in towards each other so feet as wide as the mat. Then if your head is falling down off your towel or blanket, you might get an extra blanket or pillow and bring it there. And if none of these options are working for you, you can take your roll and just do a different little ditty and bring it just underneath the shoulder blades in the opposite direction. So we're here, or we're working with the blanket here. And if none of these work, wrap yourself up in the blanket like a burrito of love and find a nice comfy position there. Burrito of love. I'll take two, please. Okay. Hands are gonna rest gently on the belly or the ribs. If you want, you can bring one hand to the heart. For the feet, again, we're bringing them as wide as the yoga mat, and then we're bringing the knees in. So it's the opposite of our cobbler's pose. This was external rotation. This is internal with the hips. And this is where we're gonna chill and rest. So close your eyes. Relax the weight of your body. Feel supported here. And when you're ready, bring your attention back to the sound of your breath, the quality of your breath. Inhale lots of love in. And exhale lots of love out. Take a couple quiet moments here to welcome in ease, grace, and a softness, a willingness to slow down, reconnect. If you're loving where you are here, you can reach, pause the video and come back here for as long as you like. If you are ready to roll up, we're gonna slowly, slowly, slowly come to a fetal position, any side. So nice and slow, you'll come off your roll. And I love this little fetal position for hopefully obvious reasons. Just kind of coming back to a little innocence, feeling also great curvature in the back as you hug your knees in, letting your heart rest. Take one little last moment here to surrender. There's so many things you cannot control, that I cannot control. But taking time to slow our roll is one of them that we can control. So thank you for sharing your time and your energy. Let's press up to seated. Maybe sit back up on your blanket if it feels good. Smile. Bring the hands together. When you're ready, bring the thumbs right up to your third eye. Peace in our thoughts. Drop the thumbs to your lips. Peace in our words. And very slowly dropping the hands to the heart. Peace in your heart. Love you guys. Take good care. Share this video with someone who you think might benefit from it. And I'll see you next time. Namaste.